Maya and the Steve. Oi!
Hey Maya, come back here. See what this is. See. What's this? Ooh. See what this is.
And that's Maya and the Humidifier.
Come. Okay. I'll let you tell me.
Woo boo.
What's that?
Maya, can you catch it? Can you catch it?
What does it taste like, Maya? It's like cotton candy. Come back, see what this is. Look what you've got in the house. Try catching it. Come, try catching it. What is that? Try. You want to feed the steamer some pasta? Feed the steamer some pasta? I think she's figured out she can't do that. Why some pasta?
Yeah.
No.
Whack, whack, whack.
How does it feel, Maya? She's running back to you.
I know. What's happening, Maya?
Maya, come back. Maya. Come back. Steamer's calling you, saying, Maya. Come stay with me.
Oh wow, she's eating on her own. Well done.
Well done, Maya.
For me? Thanks, Maya. Thank you. Thank you.
Maya, doesn't go outside. Maya, put it back in the bowl. Maya, back in the bowl. Okay? Bring her finger.
Say Maya, say bye-bye for the video. Maya.
Oh, she just kissed the thing. Maya, tell her.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Papa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Maya, say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye, Maya.
It's
Bye-bye.
okay, don't disturb her, she's eating.
Oi.
Going straight in your mouth, Maya. Put it here. Come on. Put it in here. Put it all in here. Put it in here.
Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye.